What's up, guys? It's Alex from StockTrading.com. Today's Friday, and we're closing out the week strong. 2 weeks into the month, green every single day this month. It really has been a blessing. And today we've had an awesome day to just close out the week. So before I jump into the trade of the day, which you can already assume by seeing my screen here in the chart, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, help us out with that YouTube algorithm. We're growing our YouTube base here and constantly working on pushing out more content that is hopefully helpful for you guys, and hopefully you're walking away with some nuggets and some key things about our trading and how we make profits every single day. So let's jump right into AMC. So AMC was our trade of the day yesterday, and we were really laser focused on this stock today. Here's the reason why. Let me pull up a 2-day chart. So if you didn't see yesterday's trade of the day video, AMC broke out of $11, which I'll highlight in this zone here, where we went long. The stock rallied to as high as 14.20, right? So you had a 3-point move on AMC yesterday. We were really looking forward to trading it today because even though it dipped down in the after hours, guess what? This morning, it was gapping up. So for this morning, we really like the flag here 30 minutes into before the market even opened. So we actually did go long AMC in this zone here in anticipation for a pop out of the open. So we did go long in pre-market, went long here, took profits on the pop. It was like a 20-cent scalp, nothing crazy. So took profit right up here, and the stock dipped down. I really wanted to see if AMC would hold 13 bucks. But on the 5-minute time frame, really what we wanted to see was the hold of the 200 MA on the 5-minute time frame. This serves as a really nice, strong support, especially after yesterday's rally. You can see there that 200-day moving average on the 5-minute time frame serves as a nice support. So this morning, we got the bounce off of that, which was perfect. Then the second step was to find an entry point. Taj got in a little bit sooner than I did. He got in right here when it reversed and broke out. Then he was in this bull flag. On this dip at 10:15, he added, and that's actually when I got in. I got in on the dip right here, and the stock rallied and broke out into highs. So this was good. But now, the second challenge was, okay, keeping in mind yesterday's high, let's make sure that AMC can break out. If you look at today's action so far, as of 11:56 a.m. Eastern, the stock had a lot of trouble breaking out of yesterday's high. We did poke out of it, but immediately pulled back. So that's a little troublesome. And we actually did take our profits. I took profits at 14.14. Why did I take profits at 14.14? Well, when this candlestick broke out at 10.50, I immediately placed stops at the prior high, 14.14. So when we got that pullback, the system stopped me out, took profits from that long. So it was a really nice profit-taking zone for me. And I'm glad I did because the stock struggled in this area. Here's the thing though with AMC. It's not done. AMC can potentially still go on another run. Right now it's consolidating, needs to hold. It's trading right above its 50-day moving average on the 5-minute time frame. So which is a good buy zone and momentum, right, trend that I want to see it hold. If it holds that 50 and climbs back up above the 20 and the 8 MA, AMC is still in play, and you can possibly see it break out of an intraday high. And like I said yesterday with our trade of the day video on AMC, the zone that I'm looking for is 1550 right here. That's a daily overhead resistance that we need to see AMC break out of, because you can see here back on March 15th through March 19th, you had 4 days of the stock hanging around these highs that it couldn't break out of, and immediately retreated. Actually pulled a 50%, almost a 50% drop. I'd say about maybe 35-40% drop from 1450 to a low of about 9 bucks. So that is really the zone we need to see it break out of. And look at what you've got here. You've got 2 days where it's attempting to break out, but it doesn't have enough juice as of yet. So guys, if you are trading AMC, that is what you need to look at. The breakout of 1450. As long as it can break out of that and it can hold that overhead resistance to now become a floor support, you're in on a nice run. Then you've got to look a little further back to see where you can go from there. On AMC, like I said, 1450 breakout, I would look at 16 bucks, 1650, 1721, then I want that 2036. Those are the levels I'm looking at on a daily chart basis, okay? What I like about AMC, if you look at the daily, the volume is good. Yesterday's volume was pretty solid. Today you've got 131 million shares that have been traded so far. So let's see if by the end of the day today, AMC can break out. But here's something that I'm noticing as well on AMC. RSI is good. It's at 71, so it's right at overbought territory, but not extremely. It could push to 80, 85 before we see some retreat. The daily Bollinger Band is at 1270, $1 below its current price action. I could see it break out. I can see it has a little bit more juice in it potentially. It's not overextended just yet, but the key is we need the volume to really kick in on AMC. So that's my review on AMC, guys. It was a solid play this morning. We had a lot of fun with it, made some good money off of it. Today I'm walking away making $850, slightly below my daily goal of 1,000. But if you average out all the profits I've made this week, I've pretty much averaged out daily on my daily goal. So with that being said, guys, thanks for tuning in. Have a great weekend. Tune out on the weekends. You know, take some time to enjoy yourselves, your family, your friends. Then on Sunday, get ready to shift your mind into studying, getting prepared for next week's action. So take care, guys. We'll see you all on Monday.